Last day na diri namon sa Santa Catalina, kung diin situated ang Lake Atitlan here in Guatemala. Bago ko bugtaw from my 2-hour nap. Haling kami kagina sa lake, medyo mainit. Had a great lunch. Busog, tuyo, kapoy. So far, this experience, well, any experience man, I always get positive outlook or positive vibes and energy. I think anywhere I go. Guatemala is a very energetic country. Siguro it's because diri halin ang Mayan civilization. Diri nag-umpisa and it still exists. You can feel the vibe and the energy sa lugar. And kagapon we had a Mayan ceremony. It's quite different. It's a different experience. And you can feel peace, malinong matauhay, kag very laid back ang mga tao di. And siguro it's because ang ilang belief nila sa Mayan tradition nagapangibabaw. Although as I was talking to the guide yesterday, the Mayan tradition and the Catholicism nag-merge na siya actually, and there are Mayans that are also practicing Catholic religion, so it's slowly evolving ang culture nila, but still you can still feel kung paano nila i-treasure ang ilang culture gyapon, no? So amo ni siyang itsura sang Lake Atitlan. Sa amo ni nga oras medyo foggy siya, pero nami gyapon nga island. Okay.